Hello, my name is Bill Leininger. I'm a divorce attorney and divorce mediator in Staten Island, New York. I'd like to give you 8 reasons why you and your spouse should definitely consider divorce mediation rather than more traditional contested courtroom litigation. The first reason, it usually costs a heck of a lot less to mediate your divorce than to litigate in court. 2 years ago, the Wall Street Journal published statistics that said that an average contested divorce fought in the courts cost the average couple $78,000. The average mediated divorce in America, according to the Wall Street Journal, was approximately $7,000. It's been my experience here in Staten Island that divorce mediation is almost always much, much less expensive than courtroom litigation. The second reason why I recommend that you consider divorce mediation is because divorce mediation gives you control. In court, the judge and the divorce lawyers run the show. In divorce mediation, you and your spouse are in control of all major decisions. The third reason why I believe divorce mediation will make sense for you and your spouse is that it's less stressful. As a divorce attorney with 31 years of experience, I can tell you just how crippling the stress can be in a courtroom battle. Stress can be incredible in a divorce case being litigated in court. If you proceed to divorce mediation, I, as your divorce mediator, can assist both of you to respectfully and in a non-threatening way communicate with each other to try to work out a fair deal. The fourth reason I believe divorce mediation will make sense is because it's easier on your kids. The worst part of divorce is the conflict between the parents of the children. Let's be honest. It will be traumatic enough for the kids, even if you use divorce mediation, but at least your kids can heal knowing that their parents are working together to make adult decisions and that they will not put the children in the middle, as so often happens in divorce litigation. The fifth reason why I believe divorce mediation should be considered is that you can still go to court if the mediation process doesn't work out for you. In the 16 years that I've been mediating divorces in Staten Island, over 90% of the couples that start with me finish the divorce mediation process, so we have a very high success rate. But occasionally, couples will stop mediation. In a very real sense, that is a benefit, because if you feel that you are dissatisfied with the divorce mediation process, you can tell the mediator then declares an impasse, and then you each hire independent attorneys, and you go to court and let the judge decide. The sixth reason I believe divorce mediation makes sense is that you can get legal information and a neutral perspective on your differences. While a divorce mediator is not here to give specific legal advice to either party, let's be candid. I have been a divorce attorney for 31 years. If a person in mediation says, "Bill, how would this issue likely resolve in divorce court?" I can tell the couple. instead of two antagonistic attorneys fighting over many different issues, I can bring the couple to see issues that are in dispute from a neutral perspective. I have found that this often works where both parties realize that I am here to help the two of them assist on crafting an innovative and fair decision. The seventh of the 8 reasons that I submit divorce mediation is much more preferable than courtroom litigation is because it results in agreements that are workable and that the parties willingly comply with. I guess it's human nature. When a judge imposes a decision upon you, it sort of gets you back up a little bit and you begin scheming right away. Well, how could I avoid the consequences of the judge's decision? Or should I appeal the judge's decision? My experience over the past 16 years as a divorce mediator is that where a decision is not imposed upon the couple by a judge in black robes, but rather is a product of the two of them working together, that they become emotionally vested in that agreement, and that from a percentage point of view, in an overwhelming percentage of the time, both the husband and wife voluntarily comply with that agreement, as opposed to court-imposed decisions which are frequently disobeyed. And the 8th and final reason why I recommend divorce mediation is that it's confidential. In private divorce mediation, all discussions, all tentative agreements are confidential. We can therefore attempt to try creative solutions, what-if scenarios, until both the husband and the wife feel that the issue has been resolved fairly. And because divorce mediation is confidential, if either party has worked off the books or has otherwise undisclosed income, the mediator can help the couple prepare an agreement that's fair to both of them and fair to the children. For all those 8 reasons, I believe you'll be extremely foolish if you and your spouse do not consider divorce mediation. At our firm, if a couple is thinking about divorce mediation, we offer a half-hour introduction to divorce mediation. The cost is only $100. If the two of you then decide to proceed to divorce mediation within 30 days, we'll even credit that $100 against your first bill. What do you have to lose to try divorce mediation?